Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here for BAM Weather. We're a little bit warmer this morning, about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, with temperatures in the 30s out there. We're going to enjoy a nice day of weather today. We're going to stay dry through our Wednesday, and then we'll see showers coming in for Thursday. And as we look ahead toward the weekend, looking at some very warm temperatures, near 70 degrees as we go into Saturday and Sunday. So let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Again, today and tomorrow, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures in the 50s today. Should get close to 60 by tomorrow afternoon. And then temperatures on Thursday will hold close to 60 degrees for the high temperature with showers around. We'll take a look at that system here for Thursday. I think the bulk of the rain will be coming in, especially for the second half of the day on Thursday, with scattered showers around, and we'll see the showers start to exit the area Friday with drier conditions. Temperatures on Friday should reach the lower 60s. Look at the low temperatures as well throughout this forecast. After tomorrow morning, our low temperatures will be either at 45 or higher for the rest of the 7-day forecast for the low temperatures. And we have highs by the weekend at 68 degrees Saturday, 73 degrees on Sunday, and that will come with an increasing chance for rain. So right now, Saturday looks like the best day of this weekend with dry conditions, and then Sunday we will have to talk about the chance of rain. Could be a few thunderstorms as well. The timing of that system is still up for grabs, so we'll have to fine tune as we get closer. Rain early next week, and we'll keep temperatures warm. Could see some trends towards cooler temperatures beyond this, but hey, we're going to enjoy a very nice stretch of some warm temperatures. A very mild forecast here as we look ahead through the next week. Thank you guys for checking out this forecast. Enjoy the warmer temperatures coming up. Hope you have a great day.